Here we have a 2017 67 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 20-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition as you can see just there. We've got the shadow black mica exterior paintwork on this vehicle, which looks absolutely fantastic. You may have noticed we've also got the wide arch kit on this vehicle, giving the arches that aggressive look just there. You've then got the blacked out Ford badging on the F-150 style front grille. Coming around to the corner you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel. Side steps at the bottom, WILDTRAK decals just above. You've then got the grey wing mirrors and door handles. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Silver roof rails on top of the vehicle. Coming to the rear you've then got your third 20-inch alloy wheel. 4x4 badging just there. You'll also notice we've got the mountain top load cover at the rear here. And now if we bring this down, there we go, you can have a look at the space in the back just there. Closing that up, we do have both front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. You've also got the tow bar at the rear as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And let's have a closer look at that last alloy wheel. There we go. Now onto the interior next. Starting at the rear, we have got a half leather interior with the orange features, orange stitching there as well. Fold down armrest in the centre. You've got a 12-volt connectivity in the middle there. Storage behind the front seats. On the doors you'll find your brushed metal handle, electric window controls, more of that leather with the orange stitching, and of course the integrated speakers. Going on to the front next, we've got that same half leather interior, WILDTRAK badging on either side. There's a close-up look of that. Now both front seats are heated, which can be controlled in the centre. You've then got the electrical adjustments for the driver as well, which make it incredibly easy to get comfortable in this vehicle. Unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric windows with auto functions for the driver, as well as child lock on the door there. Again, more of that leather with the orange stitching and of course integrated speakers. You've then got your power folding electric wing mirror controls, as well as your auto light controls just below. Now stepping inside, I'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake and turn the key, and we are away. Now I'll just wait for that. There we go. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. You've then got your multifunctional steering wheel, different controls for whilst you're on the go, as well as speed limiter and cruise control just there too. You've then got your auto wiper stalk on the right. Coming into the middle, infotainment screen with features like your audio. If we go into audio here and sources, AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as CD and Bluetooth audio. Climate controls, which can be controlled either here or down below. And as I mentioned before, you've got the heated seat controls for both front passengers just there. You've then got your phone connectivity for making calls or listening to music. Satellite navigation, of course, as well. Different apps, and then if you go into the settings, you'll find features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on there as well. We've even got ambient lighting in here just to finish it off as well, which looks fantastic at night time. Now I'll put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see your reversing camera as well as a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. And then if we come on down, you've then got your stereo and climate controls again. Two 12-volt connection points, two USB ports down below. You've then got your button to turn off the beeping for your parking sensors, traction control and your hill descent control just there too. You've then got your 2 high, 4 high and 4 low drive modes for off-road use. And of course we've got our gear stick here with park, reverse, neutral and drive. And then sport/manual mode if you flick across to the right, and you can change down or up a gear like so should you want to take manual control of the gears. You've then got your handbrake, 2 good sized cup holders, soft touch leather armrest in the centre, again with the orange stitching. Below there you've got additional storage space as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on our steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press the cruise control button, press set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed as well, and then to deactivate it we can simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 1 second, 5th gear, down to 4th, down to 3rd, up to 4th, 5th, get up some speed, into 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, and then 2nd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are plenty of great features to talk about in this car. Of course, we've got the incredibly comfortable half leather seats, which are heated for both front passengers, as well as having the electrical adjustments for the driver's side as well, meaning it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in here. And of course, on the infotainment screen we've got great features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, the list goes on. We've even got our reversing camera built in as well. Packed full of great tech features. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. If you look online, you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as and if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump just to put the car through its paces a bit for you so you can see it perform those tasks. Just wait for this traffic. There we go. Now emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brake serve, no problems at all. Straight into reverse, again, no problems at all. We've got our visual display of sensors and our reversing camera on the display just there. And now speed bump. There we go, completely free from any unwanted sounds, knocks or bangs, as you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.